Hello everyone, this is Falguni Zaveri from Karma Healing. Today we will discuss something about the transit that has happened, uh, the Mercury transit. Actually, the transit of Sun has also happened today, but we'll just be discussing the transit of Mercury in different houses and in different signs. The transit happened today morning, that is on the 17th of August, 8:18 a.m. and it will stay in Leo till 2nd September 11:52 hours. So let's start with the sign Aries. Mercury is the planet actually signifies speech, education. It is a neutral planet, and Mercury has transit into Leo in the 5th house. So now if you see, the 5th house is for education, luck, affairs of heart. So this transit will be favorable for kids for their further education. New ideas and new talents will be appreciated. They'll be learning some foreign language or any new talent that will give them positive result. There might be some arguments seen between the loved ones during this phase, and health wise also no major illness is shown, but be careful in love and decision related to love, as there might be some issues, some misunderstanding and confusion. So that's for Aries. Now we'll go ahead for the sign Taurus. Taurus, when Mercury in Taurus comes in the 4th house, the house signifies mother, motherland, luxuries and comfort. So it is the best time for the Taurians to acquire any new vehicle, maybe house, property. Student would acquire good results in their studies also. And relationship wise, it looks good. Attraction and love is seen coming in this period. People where their job or career is concerned will see positive result. There will be respect in the society. Something good happening to the mother. The mother's health is going to remain good. If mother is working, she will see some progress in her own work. So overall, the period is good for Taurians. Health wise, if you see, they have to be careful with cold, cough and throat infection. Now we'll go to Gemini. That's the 3rd house. So Mercury is going in their 3rd house. Gemini, Mercury comes in their 3rd house, and it's their own house of Mercury. So it indicates relationship with your younger siblings, communication, short travel trips, performing arts, courage. So in general, the time will be, there will be more communication with your younger siblings. The younger siblings bond will increase. There will be more communication between you and your younger siblings. On work front, your ideas will be appreciated. More creative ideas will flow and new directions will be seen for you. People in the relationships has to listen to their partners and think and solve their issues. Too much calculative behavior is also not good. Health wise, you have to be careful of not thinking too much and causing stress. Also be careful with respiratory tract infection. So that's for Gemini. Now we'll go ahead and do Cancer. What if the Mercury comes in Cancer? It comes in the 2nd house in Cancer for Cancer people. So when Mercury transits in the 2nd house of the Cancerians, 2nd house signifies money, self-esteem, self-worth, position. So students who are Cancerians should be careful with mood swings, confusion and getting carried away with the pleasure of life. If they are waiting for any result to come, the period will give them desired result. Career wise, again, decisions should be made thinking carefully. Family issues should be resolved with care and understanding in this period. There are chances of misunderstanding. Short travel is indicated either for work or leisure. Now Mercury coming into Leo, in the first house. Mercury transit in the first house for Leo people. First house is for one body, self-image, appearance, your confidence. Student under the Leo sign might find aggression and confusion coming. So it will be very difficult for them to make a decision. So it's advisable to be patient and calm while making any decision. If you are waiting for any result, it will be showing up in this period. New opportunities will come your way. For people in career front, new opportunities will come. You will have confidence and you'll move ahead. Although overconfident might cause some setback, arguments should be avoided during this period. Also, investing in property or business should be avoided or should be done under someone's guidance. Now, let's see Mercury in Virgo, and it will come in the 12th house. 12th house is usually for suffering, loss, expenses, foreign travels, foreign contracts, hidden enemies, conflicts. So Virgo students who have applied for foreign studies will have a positive results. There are chances that students may have problems securing the result in exams they are waiting for. Career front, there are chances and conflicts and fights are seen, and people associated with foreign investment or foreign business would see favorable result. There are chances of losses in business occurring during this period. So be careful in signing a contract or something when you are doing somewhere here, or maybe just see that everything is read properly. Relationships and arguments will have some problems. And health wise, you have to be careful with issues regarding your stomach and skin. Now let's see Mercury in Libra in the 11th house. 11th house rules professional, money, items of luxury, success and business. Studies for Libran students rock. This time period. So they will be seeing the result that they are waiting for they will be seeing a result that they have been waiting for. Also, new ideas and opportunities will be coming their way, and their studies is surely going to show some improvement and good results. People in job or career wise, the Librans will have a very positive outcome, and whatever decision they make in business will give a favorable result. This period will be good to start a new business, sign a new deals. Even there are chances you will make new friends and meet new people where your business is concerned or work is concerned. Relationship will be okay, as the Librans will have some issues in the relationship. Expectations from the Librans will be more. So you have to understand your partner's need here. Otherwise, it can cause you some issues. Health wise, they have to be careful with the heart related issues, skin and bones. Now we will see Mercury in Scorpio. It's going to come in the 10th house. Mercury in Scorpio in 10th house signifies success in career, business, status, position, fame, business, relationship with father. Students who come under the sign of Scorpio will see positive results in their studies. Studies in their motherland will give them better results. Guidance of teacher or guru will bring them more benefits, more beneficial results, you can say. People in looking at the career and work front will see a very quick moment ahead in their work front. Deals and contracts will be signed without any problem. And in this all, they should avoid aggression, misunderstanding and harsh words, because that can backfire on them where the work front is concerned. Also, where relationships are concerned, the relationship seems to be good for the Scorpions. Um, the period is good for both the partners. There will be understanding between the partners. The relationship with the father will improve. There is something like there will be more communication with your father. There will be some good advice or something good coming from your father. So the relationship is going to improve where your father is concerned. Now let's see Mercury in Sagittarius, and it's going to come in the 9th house. Mercury in 9th house signifies long distance travel, religion and fortune, beliefs and higher education. So a student whose sign is Sagittarius will see an outcome result in their studies. Chances are they might travel due to studies or can go for higher education abroad. Career and work front, the Sagittarians, it will be a challenging time a little during this period. Results will delay at work front. Disputes in the family will settle down. Relationship with your parents and guru will improve. So relationship wise is showing a little better period, but career wise Sagittarians have to be little careful because it will be a challenging period for them. They have to be little patient. And health problems, you have to be careful with your digestive system and your nervous system. Now Mercury goes in Capricorn and in the 8th house. House 8 indicates longevity, signifies obstacles in your life, inheritance, spirituality and research work. Students can do good in research. Occult sign knowledge will be learned during this period if someone is interested in it. However, you need to be careful before exploring this knowledge. People, job and business or career need to be careful about their opponents. The deal and contracts will delay. So whatever you are signing in this time period, have that in mind. It's going to take some time to come true. Any job opportunity you're waiting for will come with a delay. Do not sign any new contracts during this time. Avoid taking loans. Relationship will have issues and aggression will be a part of it. Try to understand each other well. Health needs to be taken care, and you have to be careful that you eat healthy food. Careful with your respiratory system, skin and bone disease. Now we'll see Mercury in Aquarius in 7th house. 7th house predicts partnership, relationship, business, marriage. So Aquarius student can learn new things in this period. They have to think twice before making any major decision. Small traveling is noted within your motherland or within your country, you can say. So that might be due to some exams, or maybe due to some study related traveling is shown. And where job and career is concerned, it is kind of a neutral thing here. It's not too bad or not too good for this people. They just have to be careful of their speech, their attitude. So sometimes whatever they speak might affect the other people badly. People in partnership may have problems because of your speech, because of your harsh tone. The problems will be created in partnership. There are chances of dispute between partners. Avoid taking any new projects this time. Relationship will remain normal. Avoid any harsh words to avoid arguments and dispute. Health, you have to be careful where your blood circulation is concerned, joints and reproductive organs. Now we'll see Mercury in Pisces, goes in 6th house. 6th house is the house of death, disease, injuries. So students who comes under the sign Pisces achieve success in their exams during this period, but they have to make their decision very, very careful. Business, work, job, career, who are looking for that, people need to be careful in signing any new contracts. Be careful in making any major decision. Do not invest in any wealth anywhere. Take guidance of some experts. Whenever you are buying a land or investing anywhere, you need to take a guidance of some experts before investing. Though this time is favorable for buying property. Just whenever you are buying a property, it is favorable to buy a property, but take the guidance of the experts. Be open in communication where your relationships are concerned. There are chances that there can be a major disagreement on something and your relationship may suffer. Health related, you have to be careful of your abdomen, problems related to your abdomen, lungs, and ears. So that's it for now. Hopefully, we have covered all the signs. Next, if I can, I'll come with prediction for the sun in various signs if possible. But please don't forget to like, share my channel on YouTube. We are on Instagram and Facebook too. So please go ahead and do like my page there too. So for now, take care of yourself. Have a good week ahead. I'll see you later, maybe next week.